You might watch my channel and you might say, hey, this Christopher Thunder guy, he is like Tim the Toolman Taylor. And the answer is, yeah, I am. I collect tools. I test them, use them, compare them, decide which tools work best. And it's very situational. So this is a really expensive wire stripper, but it doesn't work for small wires like the kind you find on a motorcycle. So you're stuck with something like this. A carpenter's measuring tape doesn't always work for every situation, so you're stuck with this. Sometimes you need test turn signals, so you need something like this. And you need connectors, quick on, quick off. So you need something like this. And to attach that, you need something like this. Don't try to do it with a giant pair of pliers. Don't try it. It's not going to work. These connectors are color-coded. Usually you'll see them in a light blue or a light yellow plastic. Red for red, blue for blue, yellow for yellow. And they have different sizes, and they compress differently depending on that size. So you have to match up the color codes when doing your compressions. You want to make sure that you color code your end connectors and you label them. So it's not just the label on the wire, it's the color coding of the connectors. That's really important. And you'll see buried under here is a plan. Now, even with all this, there's hardware that you need. And I'm going to make a run to the hardware store one more time and get bolts that I like with oval heads and the right sized washers and nylon nuts. So when I attach the turn signal mount, okay, that's up here. Okay, when I attach this thing to my motorcycle, I attach it once. You're going to hear me using that philosophy over and over and over again. When you're going to attach something, attach it once. Now, this is really important to think about. When you do a solder joint, when you do a connection, wiggle it, pull on it, tug it. Find out what kind of a tug or a pull or a wiggle is enough to give you a valid test for that joint before you seal it up. Sometimes that quick little wiggle will create a weakness in the wire and it will snap in your hands. That failure that occurs in your hands may save you hours of work later on because it failed in your hands. It didn't fail on the part while it was buried inside your motorcycle. Try to get it to fail in your hands first and then move forward. This is what the world's dirtiest workshop is all about. Learning. Thanks for watching.